Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy machine learning algorithms with TensorFlow, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have installed TensorFlow in your Python environment. Open the command line interface and enter the command pip install TensorFlow. Once the installation is complete, launch your preferred Python IDE. Create a new Python file and import TensorFlow using import TensorFlow as TF. Next, prepare your dataset. You can use a built-in dataset from TensorFlow or load your own. If using a custom dataset, ensure it's properly formatted. Load the dataset into your script using Pandas or TensorFlow's dataset API. After loading the dataset, clean and pre-process it. This may involve handling missing values, normalizing data, or encoding categorical variables. Once your data is ready, split it into training and testing sets. A common practice is to use 80% of the data for training and 20% for testing. Define your machine learning model architecture. For a simple model, you might use the sequential API. Start by initializing a sequential model, model equals tf.keras sequential. Add layers to your model, beginning with an input layer. For example, to add a dense layer, use model.add tf.keras.layers dense units activation equals activation underscore. Repeat this process to add additional hidden layers as needed. Finally, add an output layer that matches your desired output shape. Compile the model by specifying the optimizer, loss function, and evaluation metrics. For instance, you can use model.compile, optimizer equals atom, loss equals mean underscore squared underscore error, metrics sad face. Now, fit your model to the training data. Use the fit method, specifying your training data, number of epochs, and batch size. Monitor the training process to ensure it's learning properly. Once training is complete, evaluate your model using the testing set. Use the evaluate method to obtain the performance metrics. If the results are satisfactory, you can save the model using model.save your model_name.h5. For deployment, you may want to convert your model to TensorFlow Lite for mobile usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.